This is question 14 on the November 2010 Mod 5 Higher Paper 1. It's a no calculator paper. We've got this amalgamation of shapes here. The sentences up here don't tell us anything. It isn't very obvious. It's telling us we have two squares and it says that's a straight line and that's a straight line. What we've got to show are two triangles are congruent. Triangles ACP. Now it's not very easy to see what we're talking about unless we sort of draw these triangles in. Triangle ACP is this triangle here. So that triangle, and the other triangle they're talking about is triangle ACR, which, if I spin this around to make it a bit easier, is this triangle here. So we've got to show those two triangles are congruent. Now you do need to learn the conditions for congruent triangles. Now if we just look at these two triangles and try and work out what they've got in common, the top triangle and the bottom triangle share a common side. So as far as sides are concerned, the top triangle has got AC as a side. The bottom triangle has also got AC as a side. And they're clearly equal to each other because they are the same side. So you have an equal side in the form of this side here, AC. Now if you look at this side here on this top triangle, CP, that's another side. If this is a square, this distance here, CR, must be the same. If this is a square, all these four edges here are the same. So CP and CR are also equal to each other. So we've got there another side on each triangle is equal. So that side is equal and these sides are equal. Now if we look at the angle here, this, if I zoom in here a minute, is a right angle. That bit is 90 degrees around there. And if this is a square and it's been cut up the middle, that's 45. So altogether, that is 135 degrees. We can say exactly the same thing here. That is 90 degrees, because that's the right angle. This is also 45. So these angles here, that angle and that angle are equal. So in the top triangle, the angle ACP, AC to P, and in the bottom triangle, the angle AC to R, they are equal angles. So you couldn't see what I was writing there. So that was angle ACP and angle ACR. They are equal, and we have equal angles now shared. And if you can show you have two pairs of equal sides and an equal angle, then that is one of the conditions for congruency. If you now write down on your exam paper SAS for side and angle and another side, you will get it. But you do need to show, and you do need to write something down about they share a common side, they also have sides that are equal, and they have angles that are equal. If all of that is written down, you will get the marks. And that is that paper completed.